Make ringtone for iPhone using GarageBand. Firstly, you need to download this free app from the App Store. When you launch the app, you should find the app layout something like this. You want to go ahead and tap this plus icon on the top right corner. Now select Audio Recorder. Now tap on these three broken lines on the top left corner. Now here we will make the ringtone. Firstly, tap on this blue triangle, which will stop the annoying sound in your ringtone. Then go ahead and tap this plus sign on the top right corner. Now select this section A. Now first make sure this toggle is off. Then change this number to 12 by tapping on it. Now press Done. Now tap on this circular icon on the top right corner and select Music. For now, we will select Songs option. Now you want to select your favorite song from your library. Please note that you need a song added from iTunes or now let's select this song and make a ringtone. You want to hold it and drag it over this empty area. Now you need to edit this song as per your liking. So just tap on the song, select the start handle, select the end handle, and drag it up number 12. Now, we have defined the start and stop, and you want to swipe to the right from the left edge of the screen, and you'll see that there is this volume level slider. You want to make sure the volume level is 100%. Now, swipe to the left to close this volume level thing, and when you're happy editing your song, hit this inverted triangle button on the top left corner. Select My Songs. Now, here is the ringtone file that we've just created. Many people get confused at this point in the video. Here, if you look closely, there are two sections, Browse and Recents. If you select Recents, you'll find your ringtone file, but there is no other option to proceed further, so you want to long press on My Song to proceed making your ringtone. I'm going to show you how to make ringtone from this Browse section, so go ahead and tap on this Select button on the top right corner and select My Song. Then tap the Share Sheet button on the bottom left corner. Here, select Ringtone. Now tap here and rename your ringtone. Let's name it Ringtone 2020. Now tap Done on the keyboard and then hit this Export button on the top right corner. Done. Now select Use Sound As and then select Standard Ringtone. That's all. Your ringtone is set. Tap Done to close the editing and go to Setting on your iPhone. So under Sounds and Haptics and Ringtone section, you should find your latest ringtone. And you can make ringtone for iPhone using GarageBand.